In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video backgrounds for websites in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know how to place a video so it fills your section and feels like a true background, while keeping your page fast and easy to read. Start by opening your page in the GoHighLevel Builder and clicking on the empty area of the section or container where you want the background effect to appear. Selecting the exact spot first ensures the element drops into the right place, so you don't have to move it later. With that area selected, choose the video element from the Elements panel. We're using a standard video block, then styling it to behave like a background. This method gives you control over sizing and visibility, and it works well across most layouts. In the video settings, click the media icon to open your media library. This is where you'll browse existing files or bring in a new asset. If you're unsure what to upload, a short, looping MP4 without audio is ideal. Keep the file as small as possible for performance, compressed, under a few megabytes when you can, and make sure you have usage rights for the footage. Click Upload, choose your video file from your computer, and let it process. Once it appears in the library, select it to attach it to your video element. Give it a moment to load on the canvas so you can see how it sits in your layout. Now edit the video settings to make it feel like a background. Enable autoplay and loop so it plays continuously, and mute the audio so modern browsers allow it to start automatically. Hide player controls to keep the design clean. If your builder offers fit options, choose Cover to fill the container without letterboxing. To improve text readability on top of video, consider using a subtle overlay via your section's background color with a bit of transparency. Next, click on Width and set the video to full width or 100%, so it spans edge to edge in the section. If your section feels too short, adjust the section's height or padding so content sits comfortably above the video. This creates that immersive, hero-style background effect. When you're happy with the look, preview the page. Check desktop and mobile views to confirm the video scales well, loads quickly, and doesn't distract from your message. If it feels heavy on slower connections, try a shorter clip or a more compressed file. That's it. Your video background is live and polished. Thanks for watching, and happy building.